We were asked to change the frequency of the signal depending on the number of buttons pressed using interrupts. When we press the switch once, the frequency of signal should be 1 Hz. When we press the signal twice, the frequency of the signal should be 2 Hz. And when we press the switch thrice, the frequency should be 3 Hz, and it should repeat like that. The frequency of the signal is shown using LED. Here, first I have defined clock frequency to be 32.768 kHz. Here we are using auxiliary clock, and it uses low frequency oscillator as its clock source. Its frequency is 32.768 kilohertz. The frequency can be seen from the datasheet here. Here low frequency oscillator is used, and 32.768 kilohertz is its frequency. For auxiliary clock, the signal is sourced from low frequency oscillator. After that, first I have on entering the main code, first I have disabled the watch clock timer and high impedance mode, and I have set up LED at P1.0 as output and push button at P2.3 as input. I have enabled the interrupt for push button at P2.3. After that, I have cleared the timer register in this command. In the next command, I have set up auxiliary clock with frequency of 32768 Hz. Here we are operating the clock in up mode. That means whenever the frequency of clock reaches a certain value, whenever the count of the counter reaches certain value, the timer will reset to 0. The up mode can be seen here. Whenever the value of counter reaches a TACC or 0, the timer will be reset to 0 and it will start counting again. Here we are using this function to generate the signal with desired frequency. After that, I have enabled the interrupt for TACC or 0, and using this interrupt we can toggle the LED. Whenever we press the switch for the first time, it will enter the interrupt, and after entering the interrupt, if we are pressing the switch for the first time, the count will be initially 0 and it will enter here, and the value of TACC or 0 will be set to clock frequency by 2. We have previously seen that the clock frequency is 32768 Hz. If we set TACC or 0 to clock frequency by 2, the LED will blink once in every 1 second, so the frequency will be 1 Hz. If we press the switch twice, the count will be 1, and the clock frequency, the TACC or 0 value will be set to clock frequency by 4. Means the LED will be blinking twice in each second, so frequency will be 2 Hz. And similarly, when we press the third time, the TACC or 0 value will be set to clock frequency by 6, and the LED will blink thrice every second, so the frequency will be 3 Hz. And if we press it again, the value of count will be reset to 0, and the clock frequency, the TACC or 0 value will be set to clock frequency by 2 again, so it will again blink with 1 Hz frequency. Also, whenever the counter is reset to 0 for the timer, when interrupt occurs, it will enter the blink LED interrupt, and the LED will toggle. In this way, we are changing the frequency of blinking of the LED. Initially, the LED is not blinking. Now, if we press the switch for the first time, the LED will blink with a frequency of 1 Hz. As we can see, the LED is blinking with frequency of 1 Hz. If we press the switch for the second time, the frequency changes to 2 Hz. Now it is blinking with a frequency of 2 Hz. Now if we press for the third time, frequency changes to 3 Hz. As we can see, the LED is blinking with a frequency of 3 Hz. If we press it again, it will revert back to initial stage and blink with a frequency of 1 Hz. It will repeat in this cycle.